By the way, I love the course, just like everybody else. I love the integrative approach, and I love all the different perspectives that you provided so we can see again, from different angles to understand things. I can't help but think that about 30 years ago, I had a course. This was a graduate course, and I was required to write a paper, and the title of the paper was, "Who Am I?" And at that time in my life, I had achieved a lot of things, a lot of goals, but I wasn't satisfied. So I wrote the paper to reflect on that. But what I didn't get in that course was any of the tools or the concepts that you've provided here, right? The idea of awareness development, or the idea of awareness techniques or awareness concepts, or even the practice of awareness. And so I thank you for that. And so now I have my practice. I have a space in my home where I do my practice, and I humbly kind of struggle along the way to figure it out. So thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Paris. Thank you for your words. Wonderful sharing.